Shalom, we are Pastor C and D. Sengwayos from Sengwayos. Today, we celebrate the birthday of a very special woman in our lives, our very own mother, Ruth Emmanuel Makandiwa. We love you, Mama. We have learned a lot from you. Your philanthropic works and your inspirational messages have touched a lot of lives in the world. We continue to learn from you, Mama. As we celebrate your birthday today, we wish that the God of our father, Prophet Emmanuel Makandiwa, continues to shower you with blessings and a long life. We thank you, Mama. We love you.
Oh, this is the day that the Lord has made. We rejoice and be glad in His presence. Indeed, it's a special day, especially for us victorious ladies of Sengwayos, as we celebrate a special day for our mom. Our mom is a rare species. Mom, you are a woman of wisdom, a woman of worship, a woman of warfare. You've taught us a lot, Mom, and we are still learning. You've molded our marriages and our children. Mom, we love you. We appreciate you. You are indeed one in a million. We love you so much, Mom, as we celebrate your special day. Even if we are not together, but we'll be celebrating. The whole world will be celebrating this special day. Mom, Sengwayos, our victorious ladies, they love you and they are saying, happy day, Mom.